Once you have received the warning, this is what we suggest you to do. You have to turn off all the electricity devices and the gas tank in your place you stay. After that, make sure you block the outlet of the sink, toilet bowl to prevent water from outside. Make sure you have the following things such as torchlight, lighter, candle, instant food, drinking water, rope, medicine, and first aid kit, life vests, garbage bags, and plastic bags. Move your vehicle to where it is safe from water. Before leaving, please ensure the route that you take is safe from flood. Make sure that all your important documents and valuable belongings are well kept. Be alert to the surrounding when you are out from your home. Most of the accident occurs in low-level water. Try avoid using flooded area or roads. Driving through the water is dangerous as the water may lift up your car, hence losing control. The most dangerous accident is electricity shock. Please keep a distance from all these places. In case you found a damaged electric facilities, please call 191. Besides general precautions, disease might spread during the flooding period. It would be flu, skin irritation, stress, pink eye, and diarrhea.